Sinisibong na ba? Jubit Baldubino. What's your message to Joy in English?
Joy, before anything, I would like to say happy birthday, stay humble, and you deserve to all blessings, and happy birthday, India.
Always remember that you deserve to all blessings. Always remember that. Oh my goodness. Yes. Oh yeah, come on.
Hello. Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, hello, hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Mag-message ka!
Joy, thank you for a wonderful tonight. Hi, Joy.
Okay, Joy, remember the song. Joy, thank you for the wonderful tonight.
Before anything else, Joy, I want to greet you happy birthday. Then, happy birthday to you. You deserve tonight. Yeah. Just wait, I will drink first this one.
Porque mi amor, why
Thank
did
you.
you go?
Okay. You deserve for this wonderful tonight. Thank you for tonight. Always, please use the hashtag. This. We have here the man of the hour, the Incredible Hulk. Dr. Love, what is your message for Joy?
Rambo! Joy, thank you so much. I remember you as one of the girl with the most beautiful smiles. Like I remember you as Rita Avila during the time. And thank you for the food. I'm so very full. Thank you for the invitation. And thank you for you are one of the most beautiful girl of Kalinga Angels. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, and may you have more birthdays to come. And thanks to Kalinga Club, Ate Edna, Kuya Bal, and all the Kalinga family. Thank you so much.
Mampuro. Bagasbas. Para sa Purog ang memorable. Para sa iyo, Bagasbas. Anong meron sa Bagasbas? Bakit?
Kasi po, minsan, madalas po na doon nag-vlog po sa Bagasbas.
Tapos?
Tapos, memorable siya kasi kasama ko si Dan.
Yan lang. Wala kang ibang kasama sa Bagasbas. Okay, next. Okay, Joy, mula sa Mommies and Daddies International, Joy, grabe, another 20,000 pesos money bouquet. And buksan natin yung banner para makita nila. Mula sa Mommies and Daddies International, pakita natin. Maraming salamat po, Joy. Grabe. Meron pa bang space? Dan, Mama Gemma, from Tita Helen and Tita Marie, money bouquet, Dan, 30,000 pesos. Joy, happy birthday mula kay Tita Helen, money bouquet, 50,000 pesos. Joy, mula kay Tita Marie, another money bouquet worth 50,000 pesos.
Ikaw na lang tayo. Ano na lang.
Okay, stop. Kanina po nakatanggap na siya. Again, i-highlight ko po ulit siya. Sana nandito po, Ate Edna. Ate Edna, ati ka po. Special po ito kasi special bouquet of flowers. Dito po kayo. Palakpakan naman po natin. Grabe po ang support at pagmamahal sa iyo. Ito po ay mula sa Team A1. Manning. Bouquet of flowers, pero may cash ka. Another 10,000 pesos!
Po from Team A1. Salamat po, marami.
Thank you po, Team A1. Salamat po.
Akin mo yun sa amin. Akin na po na.
Wait lang po, ito. Ito. Wala.
Wow! Ay, ang ganda. Picture. Ano ba?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Thank you. Diyan lang kayong dalawa. Joy, this is for you. Happy birthday from Ruby Danjoy Team Europe. Joy, gift. Sa'yo.
Ever done my best?
Wait lang po.
Ano yan? Naguguluhan na si Boss Abs. Hala ka, Boss Abs. Saka yan.
More kids yun ah.
Grabe.
Ayan.
Ikaw
Iyak na lang.
ay makatanggap a parcel of land. 59,913. And another 14,087 square meters. Meaning to say, ikaw ay makakatanggap ng lote.
Then I will with my pathway, 'cause I thought it'd be too dead.
Wala na yun.
Sa
Congrats, Nay!
nagkakahalagang 271,800 pesos. Ngayon po, ito po ay opisyal na pipirmahan ni Dan and ni Joy. Picture kayo dalawa pakihawak yung papel. Congratulations! Palakpakan po natin.
Okay, tigil po dito sa atin.
Bukas na bukas po, ipapanotaryo na po yan. Palakpakan naman natin. Thank you so much.
Disclaimer. Please note that the video you have watched is not my original creation. All credits and ownership rights belong to the respective owners of the video. I am sharing this video solely for educational, informational, or entertainment purposes, and I do not claim any ownership or copyright over it. If you enjoy the video, I kindly request that you support the original creator by visiting their official channel or website, subscribing to their content, and engaging with their work. It is important to respect and acknowledge the hard work, creativity, and effort put into producing this video. Thank you for understanding and respecting the rights of the original owner. Enjoy the video.